Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming Live is enabled on your channel and that invited co-hosts have manager access. Next, open YouTube Studio and choose Create Right Arrow Go Live to start a session. This gives you a stream key and invite link. Once done, install and configure OBS or Streamlabs. Add audio, video, and scenes, then paste the stream key into the software. Make sure collaborators accept invites or join with the co-host link so you can synchronize sources before going live. Now configure the stream details: title, description, category, and latency. Choose latency based on interaction needs: normal for stability, low for chat engagement. In your encoder, create scenes for host camera, guest feeds, screen share, and overlays, then test audio levels and sync. For remote guests, use NDI, SRT, or RTMP relay so everyone's feed arrives reliably. Monitor bitrate and resolution. Lower bitrate to reduce drops. Once the layout and audio mix are solid, when ready, start streaming from your encoder or hit Go Live in YouTube Studio. Tell your co-hosts and engage the chat immediately to confirm two-way audio. If you see dropped frames or lag, first check upload speed and CPU. Reduce bitrate or resolution to 720p and reconnect problematic guest feeds. If audio is out of sync, adjust delay or use audio buffer settings in your encoder. Finally, ensure VOD recording and DVR are enabled so you can review, trim, and fix issues after the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.